How much sure? Count per one and how much sure ALKALINE did since this year start? How much sure Spice depart?
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, non stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
People are gone. You don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you don't know Media Fox, man. Yeah, that is it. So, people, you don't know. We can't make them get away, you know. You see it. Yeah, man, you have to correct them, man. Because sometimes them are sheep brain, them having, them don't really know what them attack, you know. But I play that video and hear what the cheerleader you say.
Are the second person where I run dancehall right now. Why you no keep on bypassing Spice? Why? Cause you're a woman? You don't want to give her that credit there? You don't feel that Spice is right behind Addy?
Yeah. You know, see, in a sense, the only reason why I know you talk about Spice, bro, are because you know, say Spice and Cartel are the shows together. That are the only reason you put Spice in the thing, bro. Because if Cartel now do no show, Spice now do no show, bro. You understand? You know that, brother. Spice hardly get bookings by herself, bro. She and Cartel, 95% of Cartel show them Spice dip on it. You understand? So, I don't really know what you talk about, bro. You see me? But, we're going to hear what you say.
I believe that Spice is right behind Addy. And POPCAAN. Who want to say ALKALINE? Who say what you want to say? What shows have ALKALINE?
Ah, boy. I tell about that brother, you know, people. Yo, man, love ALKALINE name. Yo, that brother is different, I tell you. Yeah, man, that brother is different, man. You can't talk nothing without calling ALKALINE name. Jaja. So, he bring up POPCAAN. Bro, I think POPCAAN do about 2 shows, bro. I think it's Trinidad one and the one at UK where he never get fully perform because he did late. Yeah, bro, like, we don't know what kind of argument you try to get us about. We are going to listen and hear what you say.
What I did for this year, since this whole year start, how much sure? Count per one and how much sure ALKALINE did since this year start? How much sure Spice depend since the year start? And tell me, say,
yeah. You know no sense. Me I tell you that. You know no sense, bro. Me I tell you. No sense enough, brother. Cause at the end of the day, you are compare where Spice do and where ALKALINE do, bro. Is what me try to say, come on know where you try to get from this point. Is what me try to say, because when you check it, bro, a Cartel I make Spice I get show, brother. Stop make it look like say, yo, this is some booking thing or whatsoever, dog. You understand? Spice only do like both. She do the one at UK, the Splash one, where I think POPCAAN and she did upon that show there. And she do the one where they must be, I think upon BET, bro. I don't know what you talk about, brother. Cartel putting Spice on show, brother, like, and that you gonna say, yo, she do a one bag of show, bro. Spice and Cartel are a friend thing. I just loyalty thing that, bro. You understand? That's why she depend on all of the shows, them, brother. Is what me I try to say? If Cartel never followed the road, Spice would have no show. She wouldn't have so much show, bro. Before Cartel come out, Spice never really had done a one bag of show like that. From after COVID, Spice now done a one bag of show, bro. You don't know that already. You understand? True, she and Cartel are flex you now. We not talk about this show and you are compare ALKALINE with Spice thing, bro. You understand? ALKALINE are do him shows, him do Boston, him do Sands, and him have him new rule. You understand? I don't know what this show thing and how much show I do and Ray. So what to the other rest of artists them in a dancehall? Eh? What to the rest of artists them in a dancehall? Them now get booked too. Eh? Them now get booked. And that more I know. You come like say now go watch ALKALINE bookings. But we are going to hear what you say.
Idea make she did it. Because she have all her own show them too. Yeah, we are going to count.
John. Brother, how much show Spice get booked for otherwise from cartel show? You tell me now. How much show Spice have what she book for otherwise from cartel show, brother? Bro, a BET and they splash something what she do in a UK where they, brother. A 2 show alone, brother. 2 show, dog. The other rest of them a cartel thing. Some don't know where you talk about, brother. You're sick in the head. Sometimes if you go do no research, my youth. You see it? Do no research, dog. Yeah, brother. Do no research.
Wait, show now. Let's count shows. How much show Spice have with all herself? Still count bypass evil alkaline. What do I go say? What? Wanna stop match up, man?
Yo, people, that boy a madman, you know. Brother, you're a madman. May I tell you, cause you are telling people them say, yo, count the show them, but you not count. It's show them say, yo, you're dumb, brother. You're dumb. Because you are tell we for count the show them, and I know you can't count the show. You even can't tell the show, and me if you talk the show them with Spice, brother. Tell me the show. Tell me the show how much show Spice do without going on cartel show. You can't name it. You understand? At the UK show she go and the BET one what she do, where there. That's all, brother. You understand? For the year. You see it? The others I show them a cartel show. She there Freedom Street. She there Barman. She there Barbados. Bro, she there everywhere, bro. Guyana. She come from New Jersey one where there. She there Brooklyn. Bro. Yo, it's about time I tell you that. Them money are sick of people. I tell you that. What you ever say?
Stop trying match up Alkaline with Addy. Because the Spice are the second.
Oh, let me tell you this. You are come out, you know, and I say all of this, you know, brother. Kevin, if you know nothing to talk about something else, bro. Cause nobody know who you hear size up Alkaline with cartel thing. Now you come out and say you a Spice second him and Ray. Which, bro, if you are gonna say second, first of all, if cartel now do not show Spice, now really do not show like that, bro. You understand? A cartel make Spice thing look good on a show level right now. Is what me I try Alkaline and do him thing, him have him new rules and him a get him bookings them otherwise, bro. You understand? So, it don't make no sense what you talk about.
Right now, me can't tell you that. You understand? In other league, they wanna go talk about Spice are gonna be second. Cause Spice the part everyone at the show them. So she affid the point up.
Let me tell you this. What you saying now make no sense, brother. Cause this is a conflict of interest thing, bro. You understand? Because at the end of the day, you can't use or you compare shows. First of all, you have to, if you have to compare doing shows, bro, you can't use where cartel a book Spice, bro. Conflict of interest them. Them are brother and sister thing whatsoever, bro. You understand? So, talk about the show them where Spice a do by herself. Take out the show them where she and cartel a do, brother. You can't look for where cartel a bring her pan. You understand? We are talking about you bring up and you talk about show. Where bring up the show them where she do by herself. That are the show them. You talk about the show them but now you fling in what she do with cartel, brother. That now make no sense. Cause true know say yo, if you count Spice show what she do by herself, bro, I just maybe fear show them can count per one and what she do by herself. But you don't want to do that because you go move bias. We know your things stay already.
And Alkaline do what? 2 show? Suns and the one of England. A 2 show me think him do for the whole year so far. On a match. Where the match there?
You're madman, man. You're madman, brother. Is what me I try to say? You're madman. Bro, a 3 show Alkaline, brother. 3 show. The Suns, the UK, and the one of Boston. You're sick in it. Go do your research, brother. Do your research and stop spread fake news, bro. And not do your research because me tell you already. You no love research, brother. You understand? Go research before you come talk on the media, dog, and start. Because when you go pull up and then people go type in up on YouTube and say, yo, Alkaline 2025 performance. Them a go see the show them, brother. Which 2 show? A 3 show Alkaline, though, bro. 3 show. The Boston, the UK, and the Suns. You understand? Me don't know what you talk about, bro. Get your facts straight, brother. You understand? If you don't know nothing, if you try bring down a man, bring him down with facts. You understand? You don't know nothing and you talk about 2 show Alkaline, though. How much Spice, though? By yourself. Eh? Everybody knows a Cartel just for the road, brother. Cartel just for the road. Cartel first I do him world tour. Cartel first I do some shows in a short space of time in his career, brother. You understand? You understand? Cartel just I do show and I know about world tour show right now. Everybody know that the man never did a really perform like that back then, brother. I perform all over the world like that. You see me? So we know him a go do him shows kind of does. Last year the man fought from prison, bro, and the first performance at Freedom Street in a Jamaican stadium. And then this year now him a do him shows, bro. Remember he had 13 years the man to perform for, brother. Artists there road that perform for 13 years the must show already. So Cartel come and do him shows them, bro. Come on, brother, everybody. Yo, it's like on a sick in an head, you know. So everybody done do shows and shows already. You understand? So Cartel I do him show them now because him never did that do it back then. Him in a prison. So what do you expect? Him no must have got have shows and do enough shows more other artists. The other artists them go to place them already and do what them for the brother.
Hey. Where the match there? How can you match Alkaline with a Addy? Brother, go on with Massacre. Take Massacre and go on with Massacre. The people them a tell you say a Massacre you figure war, go war Massacre.
Brother, you're sick in the head, you know. Me don't know how war, you don't switch Ghana war now, you bring up Massacre name. Brother, yo, what Kevin? You need to find something else to, dog. You understand? Find something else to, brother, because you're sick in the head, dog. You talk about war now and Ray. You see Alkaline and look war with Cartel? Eh? You seems like something wrong with your head shell, you know, brother. You understand? You see Alkaline and look war with Cartel, brother. Me tell them about somehow now, Gaza people, you know. Uno just can't do without Alkaline name. You get up out of the blue, I talk about yo war with you forward for shows and who do show. Gonna war now. Gonna size up. Brother from the get go uno size up Alkaline with Cartel thing, brother. Uno. You understand? You talk about shows now war and him for go Ray with Massacre and Ray. Me don't know how Massacre forward na this, bro. You're sick in your head, brother. Me tell you, you know, no matter what, me know some fans them not like when me review no thing. But me I gotta expose, you know. Cause we can't make you forward out here and I chat one bag of fake news and one bag of shaggy and try to put down the artist or whatsoever, bro. You understand? Now get touched. You see it?
Cause we not reach up to Addy level yet. Addy level where Addy there right now. Uno not reach there so yet. Uno try to size it up.
Ah, boy. Uno, you know, say you're sick in your head. You're sick in your head, Kevin. I don't know what kind of level when it comes to this show thing. Bro, let me tell you this, brother. Cartel in the game for about over 30 years now. Seeing a lot of these places where Cartel at the show, him never really had the show over them places, bro. You understand? Him have so many hits where him never yet perform, brother. You understand? Him dey lock up in a prison. Everybody know that. Zane, the other rest of dancehall artists, them, bro, never they are no prison. Them never no gone out certain place so much years or whatever, bro. The majority of people, them, when a artists, when a dancehall, bro, are young artists, them, bro. The artists, them, a bust from the last 10 years, brother. You understand? Cartel I give for 30 years, dog. 30 years. You see what me I try to say? and enough people never see him because him could fly go certain place. So when Cartel go start go these place, imagine you're artist about a day thing on 30 years now and your first I go up on your first world tour. You know must expect say man I go sold out places and all of them look something there, bro. You understand? The artists them when the young artists them in the business or whatsoever, bro. Zine, them get them thing and I fly back and forth, do shows yes, ray. So them not gonna really have no demand like that, bro. Cartel just come out of prison with you, bro. Bro, have you realized Cartel is just a 6-month run Cartel have right now, bro? Cartel not really get, not even do a 1 year or a 2 or a 3 year run yet, brother. You understand? Soon after this, the demands are gonna go low, brother. You understand? Him a come off of the US tour and him a go on the UK tour, Europe tour, bro. After that, brother, he maybe go Canada or he maybe go Africa, bro. Each continent him go, it a go peak and then go back right down, bro. Zine, I saw a thing set, I saw a business set, brother. You understand? I saw a thing go.
But it now work, brother. You hear Addison say?
I saw the thing go, bro.
Man of the maths like Jordan. You can't match up Addy with Alkaline because Alkaline they far behind. Way far lost to Addy.
Brother, you're a madman, you know. So my time, brother, I don't know, I wanna bring up them topic, you know, bro. I tell you, know. I wanna really bring up them topic, you know. You see it? I wanna really bring up them topic, yeah. You see what I try to say? Because when you check the levels, bro, who will compare a man when I game for 30 years with a man when I game 10 years, bro? You know, must expect, say, the man when I game 30 years, bro, I gotta have more certain things and certain levels than the artist will do 10 years in a game, brother. Then every day you get up about size up and rate, bro. Nobody na uno try size up, brother. You see what I try to say? Nobody na size up nothing, dog. Uno. Some of the Gaza fans, I wanna get up every day about, yo, Alkaline not ready for go up on Cartel level and this, that and ray. Uno, bro. And nobody a do it. You see me? Vendetta people them no business about Cartel thing, bro. Man, them a focus on them artists. You see me? Yeah, and I just saw the thing said. You see it?
Yeah, oh, we have to mention Alkaline every time when I say Addy. We use that so Alkaline can stay relevant.
Brother, yo, Jano. Bro, let me tell you this. Because, first of all, if Alkaline post something on him IG page right now, just look on that. Anyway, Alkaline there. Just look if you're not a Gaza fan on that. Bro, Vendetta people not see you, no brother. You understand? You know always a call Alkaline name, bro. You know always a call Alkaline name. Even Bounty, when Bounty posts a video or a picture with Cartel, and him still have to call Alkaline name, brother. You see me? Still have to call Alkaline name. You just love Alkaline so much. You can't talk. Nationwide post Alkaline thing. See? Nationwide post Alkaline thing. You and I comment, yo, on post Alkaline thing and not post the Gaza Boss thing, rare, this, that. I saw you stay, uno that. You understand? Uno that. Bro, Alkaline been relevant, brother. Music or without music, bro. You understand? Dancehall me in danger that. You see me? Seem like how you come out of the blue now and you talk one bag of thing. And you try shift the ball game. You shift from doing shows, then you shift Ghana war, then you shift Ghana leverage. You don't know what you say, brother. You understand?
That's what you use for Alkaline say relevant. Alkaline now don't have a good hit song right now for the area.
But brother, boy. You see some of my time, I want to make we talk something, you know. So, Yes, Alkaline have a hit song for the year. Zine? Then Cartel have hit song? Cartel have hit song? Because when we talk about hits, we talk about hits. Zine, how much artists in a dancehall space have a hit song right now? How much? Look on the big leagues, them, the big artists them right now. How much of them have hit song, brother? Zine, only when it comes to hit song and not having the Alkaline name call alone. So I'm to the other rest of artists them. Eh? How much hit song Cartel have for a year? How much?
And this I want to need for go. As Alkaline supporters, who not push the song them more than owner push the war between we.
Brother, stop chatting nonsense, dog. You hear Vendetta people a push war with Cartel thing, brother? You hear that? Eh? You hear that, brother? Vendetta people a stream Alkaline song and all of them look or something there. Eh? Every time you come on a platform, me never yet hear you say, yo, people, go buy Cartel music, you know, yo, go support Cartel music. The only people music me here really talk about the Alkaline music alone you talk about. And Alkaline I know your artist. Eh? Tell me now. Alkaline I know your artist. But you tell people say, yo, go and go stream and this. Why you not tell the Gaza people them for go on and stream and one bag of thing? Eh? Every time, and more than one time you do it, bro. More than one time, and you look like fool right now. Alkaline drop a song early down in a year. You say, yo, when I couldn't go stream this a song, Ray. You watch Alkaline song more than Cartel song, brother. Me I tell you.
Out here, so where I say who bigger than who, go push the song them. Who not like the song them, who not.
Let me tell you this. Go tell the Gaza people them figure stream Cartel song. You understand? Yeah. Tell them that you no Vendetta people, you no Vendetta fan figure tell Vendetta people figure pre-song, bro. Tell the Gaza people them that. You see me? Vendetta thing good. You see it? I will not get stressed out. You see me? Yeah, man.
Who not comment on the song them, who not push the song them, all the song them are gonna go. Who not take time and do the wrong thing.
Bro. Yo, so when song go up, when they say, yo, it's a song a flop, man. Yo, Ray, this, that. You a say your people them now push the song. Oh, you know that. I saw you over Alkaline page. I watch who like it or whatsoever. You really live for Alkaline song them, brother. Me I tell you, why you so care? Why you so care about Alkaline song them and him fans them for support? Why you so care? You're Gaza man, brother. Me I tell you, you're Gaza man. So you care about Alkaline them songs, so. Eh?
As supporters, go push the song them where the artists them drop. The artists them are...
Brother, you for tell people them say go over Cartel thing. Go tell them for support theme thing them, brother. You understand? Cause you say him a the man. You see me? So tell them that, bro. Man come out and drop couple album and not even could make it reach at least number 3 or 2 or 7. So no worry about Vendetta people and them fans them, brother. You understand? They might buy them music, they might tap the charts, iTunes, USA. It'll get tops, number 1. You hardly a Cartel release how much his song and none of them can touch the number 1 up there, brother. A one and few. Uno. If you go support the man music. Every day you come out, yo, Alkaline song man drop it a flop, yo, go run up the music them, Ray. And then when you check for the artist thing, it's not much better.
Drop song, but them not gonna away. The last song where Alkaline drop, wait there. Last.
Brother, then the last song where Cartel drop, wait there. You what talk about the last song where Alkaline drop, wait there. Talk about Cartel song, the last song when drop, wait there. Eh? Wait there. Gospel song when drop, where that there. The other is a song them, where that there, brother? Eh? Where that there? And you forgot pre them the song there, brother. Cause Cause you try to bring down an artist and him song them and your artist no really do much either.
When I go say blacklisted, it lasts. The song lasts. The song before that.
Blacklisted and last. Otherwise, from the God of the greatest, check the other song them. And them the last. You want to commit. You want to high grade and all of them song they went drop. From last year coming to now. Where them the song there? Cause you no expect to bring down other artists and them music and nah pre where food nothing there. Where them album them there? Party with Me, First Week Out, Vikings. Where Cartel album them there? Where sang them pan the album? Where them gone? Eh? Where them the song they gone? The song them where my drop with Aisha and Ray Ray. Where them the song they gone? Nobody no see them either.
Wait there. Last. Brother, I know see say the song them nah get no credit out here.
But Cartel song them nah get no credit either. Brother, involve your thing, brother. Me I tell you that boy a madman, you know. Yo, it come like say, man, just sit down in him car. Brother, take off your hat off your head, dog. Take your hat off your head, my youth. Cause it come like something wrong with you, brother. You sit down in a too much car, brother. Come out of your car. And make your brain explode, dog. You lock up your brain too much, brother. Cause you know where you say.
On a blind, on a need for go push the artists, them songs.
Brother, let me tell you this. You tell people say push artists and Ray song. Brother, Cartel release so many songs, bro. And nobody now push it, brother. How much song? The man a try with Aisha and him a drop other song with video. Nobody now talk about it. If him not do one show, nobody now talk about him like that, brother. You understand? So, what you talk about? You worry about other artists' song. Worry about your artist song, brother.
The time on the dip on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and all of them, so you go push the artists them wanna love song. Go and push.
So Kevin, where song the way you are push the Cartel? Eh? Tell me song where you are push the Cartel. Me realize that you dip on TikTok or whatsoever live you dip on every day sitting in your car. And you, I mean never at least 10 songs me never hear you push, not even 5. If you say yo people, go and go listen Cartel song, you know, yo, iTunes, very, you don't do none of them there. The only thing you do is sit down in your car and bring down people and chat one bag of thing and hear say. That's all you do, brother. You not promote nothing for Cartel, brother. More than if people run out and talk the facts about Cartel, you run out like a cheerleader, like a sissy. You understand? Cartel defender, cheerleader. Every time Cartel say something or somebody, you jump and start cheer and start fight and one bag of thing, bro. Go and go support the man music, cause you not do it. You just bring down people and watch what other people do.
So they sang. So them can't get back up there. They are not. The man are the mats.
And you're a madman, brother, cause you're dunce. I don't know where you get man at the mats. Let me tell you, bro, no sheep brain, you know. Where you hear Cartel have sang name man at the mats? A man at the match, brother. For sure, you know, we don't support nothing with music, you know, brother. Cause you don't know somebody asks you what his song name. When you sing with him, so you go say man at the mats. You're a madman, brother.
That's right. Adi are the man at the mats right now. All the man I do is calculate every minute, every turn, all the turn. Adi depends on some calculation.
What kind of calculation you are talking now? I don't know what kind of calculation. The only calculation I can say Cartel I do, I check up $1 million US where you get. That's all.
What if he charge you? Or what if he charge you, so? You not blind?
You see the thing, people? I saw the thing set, you know. You see me? Them guys are man, I tell the people, but we have to react for what them are saying and put them in them place, car. You see me? Yeah, we have to defend the thing. You see it? But big up everybody, big up all of my fans, them. You see me? Big up the haters. You see it? Yeah, man. And big up the Gaza fan, them too. Although you don't know. Yeah, man. Them say I'm a bad mind. I'm a fightful. But that's how you go. Let's attack the facts. Sometimes the truth hurts. But that's how the thing go. Big up on yourself, see me. Don't know media facts, you know. That is it.